Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Kubbat Masta. So let's start cooking. There are three parts of ingredients for the Kubbat Masta. For the first part, you will need 2 cups of fine burghul, 400 grams of extra lean minced beef, and 1 tablespoon of salt. For the second part, which is the meat filling, you will need 500 grams of extra lean minced beef, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 tablespoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. For the third part, which is the yogurt soup, you will need 750 grams of full cream yogurt, 1/4 cup of barley, 3 cups of cold water, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is how your Kubbat Masta should look like. Serve it on a nice cold winter's day and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!